are on our wonderful Ponderosa little ranchette. Let's explore the fence line. What a delightful spot for a picnic right under this old oak tree. After our horse ride, our horseshoes, we'll come here and have lunch. Our favorite picnic spot. I think I left Michelle somewhere down here by the tack room. Actually, the tack room is where the whole group gets together and we have the greatest conversations down here. My old trail ride buddies. Let's see who we can find over here brushing the horses. Hello.
Hey, Perrie.
Look at this. Michelle's over here already.
I'm just brushing the horses, having a nice time here.
Yeah, getting them ready for the ride.
Yep. I'm getting their tack ready.
Yes, they're tack ready. And here's the tack room. Shall we go see the tack room?
Sure.
And this is where all the buddies get together to chat a bit. Now, which saddle are you going to use?
I'm going to use this one.
Great. I think I like this one. Yeah, that looks like my kind of saddle right there. Don't you love this little tack room?
It's gorgeous.
Let's sit on the swing a minute and we'll just talk about our day. So I figure after our ride, we could go we'll play a little set of horseshoes. There's a great little horseshoe pit up there.
Okay.
And then I found the most delightful place to have a picnic lunch under the oak tree.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
You want me to make the sandwiches?
Sure. Can you imagine all the wonderful barbecues we can have out here? Oh my gosh, and I hear that in the afternoon, the most delightful breeze comes up right here in this area. And look at the vista you get to look out on. Isn't that? And there's Michelle again. There she is. Hi, Michelle.
Do you want to go look at the Oro Blanco grapefruit tree?
Sure.
Hey, Perrie, there's a really nice one right here. We got to get it.
Yeah, there we go. And what is this again?
It's an Oro Blanco.
I hear it's the sweetest, most wonderful thing.
It makes the freshest juice.
I can't wait to try it.
Let's go.
I have another one I see. Oh. Oh, it smells so good.
These are huge.
Yes. And I noticed a lemon tree right next to it. Let's go see.
What a perfect environment to have an orchard.
Voila. Ah, the aroma. Remember the horseshoe pit I was telling you about?
Mm-hmm.
It's right here.
Okay.
So I thought after our ride, we could play a little horseshoes and then we're gonna have lunch under that oak tree right there in the shade.
Okay.
Isn't that beautiful? What a wonderful environment for children and a big family.
And Perrie, look at this parcel. It's 4.5 acres in South Redlands.
All fenced, ready for your livestock.
We can do so much here.
Yes,
Peace and privacy at the end of the dirt road.
you got it. Hasn't it been such a wonderful day on the Ponderosa with all the birds and the bees, and what a wonderful day it's been.
Yes, and the home is quite lovely. It's about 2,750 square feet, built in 1988, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, Spanish tile. It is incredible.
Have we had a lot of families live here?
It's never been on the market before.
Is that right?
Yes.
Did these folks build it?
They custom built it.
Ah, how delightful.